Financial Times wrote an article with the title, China's biggest issuer, Ping An asked for HSBC backup. I noticed that HSBC has been experienced a lot of ups and downs in the past. Dennis, can you give us a brief history of HSBC and where HSBC is heading now?
HSBC once had a famous slogan, the world's local bank. The bank was founded by Thomas Sutherland in 1865. The first branch opened in Hong Kong, followed by Shanghai to facilitate the financial service in Hong Kong and cities along Chinese coastline. As the Chinese economy grew, the revenue generated from Shanghai surpassed Hong Kong. Unfortunately, the business in Shanghai experienced a serious setback during the World War II, and after the war, HSBC was only allowed to maintain its foreign currency exchange business. Before the handover of Hong Kong in 1997, HSBC started to expand its business into the overseas market, including the acquisition of Midland Bank, one of the 4 largest banks in the UK at the time. HSBC moved its registration to London after buying Midland Bank in 1993. The company further purchased banks in Brazil and Argentina. With the takeover of the Republic National Bank of New York, it also entered the American market. From 2000 to 2010, the expansions continued with HSBC's entrance into the European market with the acquisitions of banks in France and Turkey. In 2002, HSBC decided to further expand its US market presence and acquired Household Finance Corporations, and as a result got involved in the subprime lending business, which ended up with the famous subprime mortgage crisis in 2007. As a result, HSBC had to write off $10.5 billion of bad debt and exit the finance business in the US in 2008. Since then, more M&A has been done, but the result wasn't convincing. In 2015, HSBC shifted its focus to the Asia region. In 2021, HSBC further signaled its pivot to Asia, outlining plans to invest about $6 billion in Singapore, China, and Hong Kong. Since then, Asia has been the growth and profit driver for HSBC.
Can you elaborate more on the Asia segment? What is the current financial performance of Asia business?
Using HSBC 2021 annual report figures as a reference, in terms of the value of customer account, 33% is from Hong Kong, another 3% is from mainland China, while 31% is from the UK and 8% is from the rest of Europe. In contrast, North American contribute only 10%. In terms of the net operating income, the Asian region generated $25 billion, accounted for 49% of the group net operating income, while Europe generated $22 billion, accounted for 33%. In terms of the profits before tax, the Asian region dominates with $12.2 billion, accounting for 65%.
What is your take on the spin-off of HSBC Asia? Do you think Ping An argument is correct?
I do support the idea of spinning off HSBC Asia business. The main advantage are that the Asia business will have its own Asia-focused strategy. Moreover, the restriction on the payout of dividend due to the restriction imposed by European Central Bank will no longer apply. Also, the capital requirements are lower in many Asian countries compared to Europe, and therefore the Asia's business unit should be able to expand the business with the same capital. I think the spin-off will increase shareholder value in the short term. On the other hand, if the spin-off goes through, I am quite sure HSBC Asia's unit will face major changes at the top management level. The quality of the new management along with its strategy and the development of the regulatory environment in Asia will eventually define the success and the long-term value of HSBC's spin-off Asia business.
That's it for today. Thank you for watching and hope to see you again in the next episode.